If Firefox keeps crashing when you try to watch videos or live streams, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll cover turning off hardware acceleration, clearing your cache and cookies, updating your graphics drivers, and using Troubleshoot Mode to find extension conflicts. These steps are easy to follow, and they can make a big difference if your media is freezing, buffering, or crashing every time you try to play something. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, we're going to turn off hardware acceleration. This feature is designed to help Firefox use your graphics card to improve performance, but in some cases it actually causes media streaming crashes, black screens, or playback failures. To do this, open Firefox and click the menu icon in the top right corner. That's the three-line menu button. From the menu, select Settings. Once the settings page opens, use the search bar and type Performance, or just scroll down until you find the Performance section. In the Performance section, you'll want to uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. As soon as you do that, a few more options will appear. Now, uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This is the key setting that often fixes video and streaming problems. After changing that option, close the Settings tab and restart Firefox completely. Then go back to your streaming site and try the video again. In many cases, this alone is enough to stop the crashes. If you're still having trouble, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store a lot of website data, and if that data becomes corrupted, it can cause video players to fail or behave unpredictably. To clear it, click the Firefox menu icon again and go back to Settings. This time, click Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the cookies and site data, then click Clear Data. A small window will appear with two checkboxes. Make sure both boxes are checked, including cached web content and cookies and site data. Then click Clear. After that, give Firefox a moment to finish and then reload your streaming website. If the page was stuck because of bad stored data, this can fix it immediately. Now let's move on to graphics drivers. Outdated, corrupted, or buggy graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of video decoding crashes, especially if the browser is trying to use your GPU for playback. On Windows, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section so you can see your graphics card. Right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver, then follow the prompts to search for an updated driver. If Windows finds one, install it and then restart your computer when the update is finished. Even if Windows says your driver is already up to date, it can still be worth checking the manufacturer's website later for the newest version from Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. A fresh graphics driver often fixes playback issues that seem like a Firefox problem but are actually hardware related. If none of those steps solve it, try Firefox Troubleshoot Mode. This is a really useful way to check whether one of your extensions, themes, or custom settings is causing the crash. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and themes can sometimes interfere with streaming websites and break video playback. To open it, click the Firefox menu icon, select Help, and then click Troubleshoot Mode. Firefox will ask you to restart, so click Restart. Once Firefox reopens in Troubleshoot Mode, try playing the same stream or video again. If it works normally here, that's a strong sign that an extension or theme is the problem. If that happens, go back and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one causing the issue. Start with anything related to ad blocking, script blocking, or video filtering. That way you can keep Firefox stable while still using the extensions you actually need. So to recap, if Firefox media streaming keeps crashing, start by disabling hardware acceleration, then clear your cache and cookies, update your graphics drivers, and finally test Troubleshoot Mode to rule out extension conflicts. These are the most reliable fixes and they solve the majority of Firefox playback issues without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.